Okay, so in this lesson, we'll do a quick tour of the Jupyter dashboard, or simply the Jupyter Notebook app. Before you do that, please remember that like any other popular application, this one is occasionally being improved too. Therefore, save for some minor changes, the version of Jupyter we use in this video will act as an accurate and precise guide for using this tool. As soon as you load the notebook, the Jupyter dashboard opens. Each file and directory has a checkbox next to it. By clicking and unticking an item, you could manipulate the respective object. That means you can duplicate or shut down a running file. In addition, you can rename and delete folders. The selection menu allows you to select all the files in the console of the same type by expanding this button. For example, you could mark all the folders or all the running files. In addition, you can check this little box that will directly select all the items on the page. The logic regarding the directories management is the same as the one of an operating system. Files can be grouped into folders, and folders can contain other folders. From the Upload button in the top right corner, you can upload a notebook into the directory you are in. The standard Explorer box opens, and when you select a file, you can click on Open, and it will immediately appear in your directory. Finally, you can expand the New button. From the list that falls, you will most likely need to create a new text file, a new folder, or a new notebook file. A notebook file can contain code in any of the languages in your Notebooks section. When you create a new Python notebook file, it will be recorded in the IPython notebook format, .ipynb for brief. Don't fear this other new name, IPython. Think of it as the predecessor of Jupyter. Consider the IPython notebook format as a legacy file format. Alright, let's carry out a few operations. I will rename this folder to Exercises. Okay, done. Now, I will create a new IPython notebook file by expanding the New button and selecting one of the two Python formats I have here. Let's use the default Python format. The browser immediately opens a new tab for me. This is the interactive shell we mentioned earlier. Here, you will write your code and see its output. More on that in our next lecture. Thank you for watching.